All right, good morning, YouTube. What's going on? It's Saturday. It's the day before Father's Day. It's the 18th of June, and we're at Walmart to start our day. It's like 7:20 in the morning. I have a feeling today could be a record day, so I want to go ahead and start making clips now while it's still early. We're at zero today. Zero. Got to go inside here and shop for 11 items for $26.50. So that's run number one today. It's a shop and deliver, 11 items, $26.50. So hopefully today goes as planned, because I think it's going to be a huge day today. We'll find out as the day goes on. Let's take this day on. Let's make it a blank canvas and paint the picture that we want it to be. All right, let's go. All right, we got that first delivery done. They immediately sent me another one. So I'm on my way to another store to pick up that delivery. It goes 5 miles for $16. So let's go take care of that and continue this day. So we're gonna be approximately 1 hour deep in our day and be at $43. It'd actually be a little less than an hour. We're gonna be at $43 today. So very, very good start to the morning, to this Saturday. All right, we're back at Walmart. We're picking up order number 3. Order number 3 today. We've only been out here for just over an hour, and it'll put me at $74. It's gonna be a special kind of day today. I just feel it. I feel it, folks. Let's do it. 5:30 at night. Been out here about 10 hours today, sitting at $216.16. On the way to pick up another one now. It has not been a great day today. We actually sat around for 3 hours at one point today. From right around 10:05 to 1:05, we did nothing. Not a single delivery for 3 hours. So that part kind of sucked, but it does look like we're still having a good day. We're over 200, so whatever happens now, at least it'll be an acceptable total. But we'll keep plugging away at it. We'll keep grinding away at it and see where we're at by the end of the day. All right, we're back at Walmart. We're in famous spot number 10, and we're at $231 today, I think. Yeah, $231 today. And this one pays $20. So we'll be at $250. I don't know if we'll make it to 300 or not, but because it's already like going on 7 o'clock. It's like 6:40 right now. So it should be a good day though. Either way, 250 is a good day. If we make 2 more runs and make the 300, well, I feel like we're doing okay. So cross your fingers and hope for me. All right, $251.75. 17 deliveries, folks. 17 deliveries. We had a really bad day today, but still came out to over $20 an hour before gas. It'd probably be somewhere around $18 an hour, $17 an hour after gas. Somewhere in between there, $17.50, something like that. If I had to guess. If I had to guess, I'd say that's where it's going to be. Somewhere around that after gas. All right, so like I said, not the best of days, but wasn't a complete failure either. We're gonna try again tomorrow on Father's Day. We're gonna head home, guys, and then come back tomorrow and try it again. That's all we can do. Keep grinding away at it. I'm sitting somewhere around $1,500 for the week. So no matter what happens, it was a successful week. $1,500 week, and remember a couple of those days I only spent $20 in gas, so we're probably sitting at like let's see, 6, 20, 40, 70, 110. We're probably sitting around $150 in gas this week. Is that right? No. We're probably sitting around $240 in gas this week. So $240 in gas, $1,500 made. So $1,250 after fuel. We'll come back out tomorrow and do it again. Y'all know the deal. Be well, be safe, be healthy, be happy. Take care of one another, love one another, watch out for one another. Ain't nobody watching out for us but us. All right? Thanks for spending your Saturday with me. More importantly, thank you for allowing me to spend my Saturday with you. If I don't see some of you tomorrow here on stream, have a happy Father's Day. All right? Still have your father is still with us. Make sure you pick up the phone, guys, and call him. You should be doing that anyways, trust me. Take it from somebody whose father is no longer here to do that. Pick up the phone and call your dad a couple times a week minimum. Minimum. All right? I'll see you guys in the morning. I love you guys. God bless you, and good night. There it is, guys. $38.71. $38.71 in gas today. So $213 profit.